What's up, guys? I just wanted to share with you what were my favorite compact impact drivers. I got a few here that are my favorites to use, and then I'll share with you which is my favorite. We got the Metabo Triple Hammer. We got the 870 from DeWalt. We got the M12. And we got the M18 3-speed. Okay? And we're just going to show you here which ones I think are the best. Up first, Metabo. We're just going to drive some 4-inch timber locks, okay? Very smooth, very nice to handle even with a big hand, okay? Up next, the M18. What is this one again? Oh yeah, the 3651. I almost said 3650. 3651. For a tiny little tool, it is wicked fast. Up next, the M12. For a 12-volt tool, it's a beast. Probably the best 12-volt impact driver out on the market today. And last but certainly not least, got the DCF 870, quiet hydraulic. Now, which one is my favorite out of all of these? And even this one down here. We'll put them right there. Without a doubt, my most favorite one is this one. It's my favorite impact out right now, period. So it's definitely my most favorite compact. It's quiet. It's nice. If it didn't have some trigger issues, it wouldn't even be close, to tell you the truth. The second one I like the most, this one. The 3651. For such a tiny package and not being a fuel tool, it sure as heck packs a punch. Then the Metabo, then the 12 volt.